following quadratic form? Into canonical form by Lagrange's reduction. Lagrange's reduction. Write the form x1 square 2x2 square minus 7x3 square. Next, minus 4x1 x2 plus 8x1 x3. Is it clear? See, this is a problem. And in this, there is no need to write the matrix. There is no need to find the eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Without calculating of all these procedures, we are going to find canonical form of the given quadratic form, and simply we are going to eliminate the product terms from the given quadratic form. We can get the canonical form. Is it clear, all of you? First of all, I am going to write as it is the quadratic form. So that is equals, first I am taking the quadratic form. This one, x1 square plus 2x2 square minus 7x3 square. Go through the procedure. What is the step 1? Take a common variable from the product terms. Are you clear? See, I am going to selecting these two product terms. Minus 4x1 x2 plus 8x1 x3. These two, among these two, 4x1 is common. Is it as available? Is it clear? This is a possible to take a common of minus 4x1. Minus 4x1. So what we have here, x2 and minus 4x1 common, that is 2x3. Completed? First step completed. Now, here x1, I am going to write x1 square as x1 whole square. Now, combination I am going to consider here minus 2 into, this 4x1 can be written as 2 into x1 into 2 into x2 minus 2x3. Is it clear? This field I am going to write like this. 2 into x1 into 2 of x2 minus 2x3. Again, what we get here? 4x1 into x2 minus x3. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, remaining terms I am going to write here. Plus 2x2 square minus 7x3 square. Completed. There is no changing of x2 and x3 squaring terms. Okay. Now, x1 whole square minus 2 into a square minus 2 into a into b. 2 into x2 minus 2x3. This is of the form 2ab. It is clear? A square minus 2ab. What is the remaining term?
Plus b square.
Plus
square.
b square. What is b here? In this, what is b? 2 into x2 minus 2x3 is the b term. So, I am adding b square, that is 4x2 minus 2x3 whole square. It is clear? When I am adding the b square term, immediately I am going to subtracting 4 into x2 minus 2x3 whole square. By the cancellation, again we can get the same term. A square minus 2ab. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what is the remaining term? These two are the remaining terms. That is 2x2 square minus 7x3 square. Now, in this place, what I am going to write? A minus b. 2 into x2 minus 2x3 whole square. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. It is clear? Completed. What about the remaining term here? This one. So, minus 4 into A minus B whole square. Again use the formula x2 square minus 4x2 x3 plus 4x3 square plus 2x2 square. The remaining terms I am going to be right here minus 7x3 square. Up to here any doubts, ma? Reply please.
No,
No
ma'am.
doubts,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, this is 4x2 square. This 4 multiply to each and every term in the given brackets. First we have to multiply. This is completed, ma'am. That first term completed. Now I am going to write here this one, the first term. What is the first term here? x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 2x3 whole square. This is a completed term. Minus 4x2 square plus 16x2 x3 minus 4x2 square plus 16x2 x3 and minus 4 into plus 4 minus 16x3 square, right? Remaining plus 2x2 square minus 7x3 square. Completed, ma'am. Now minus 4x2 square plus 2x2 square minus 2x2 square minus 16x3 square minus 7x3 square minus
Minus 23.
23x3 square.
Square.
So we have to simplify the things. x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 2x3 whole square minus 2x2 square plus 16x2 x3 minus 23x3 square. Now, see here, x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 2x3 is the same. It is clear, all of you? Now I am going to utilize here minus taken outside. In this, I am going to take the minus 2 common. From these two, I am going to take the minus 2 common. Then what is the remaining here? x2 whole square minus 8 x2 into x3 minus 23 x3 square. Is it clear? Same, but I am going to take the constant common. Remaining x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 2x3 whole square minus 2 into, again I am using the formula of a minus b whole square, a square x2 whole square minus 2 into a is the x2, remaining complete term is the b. What is the remaining term in this? 2x2 is completed. Remaining how much term that is left?
4x3.
4.
4x3, very good. 4x3, okay, and plus b square. This is the 2 and this is the a and this is the b. 16x3 square. Again I am going to subtract 16x3 square, but already we have the minus 2 is there. So how much we are subtracting? 16 into 2, 32 minus 32 x3 square plus we have to add 32 x3 square. Already we have the 23 x3 square. That is visible, ma? Now it is clear?
Ma'am, tell us one more time.
Yeah. It is not visible, ma? Here see, 16x3 square we are adding, ma, to this bracket term. 16x3 square is visible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 16x3 square is we are adding extra term. Immediately we are going to subtracting. Indirectly 16 into 2, 32 we are subtracting from this term total. Now it is clear?
Yes.
Okay, minus 32 x3 square nothing but we have to add plus 32 x3 square. Already we have about 23 x3 square. Now it is clear?
Yes, madam.
Okay, now same as it is. So this is what here a minus b whole square. X1 minus 2 into x2 minus 2x3 whole square minus 2 into this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is x2 minus 4x3 whole square. Clear? A minus b whole square. Next 32 minus 23 9. Okay, 32 minus 23 is the 9 plus 9x3 square is the answer. Are you following this?
Yes, madam.
The given
Yes,
resulting
ma'am.
relation is nothing but the quadratic form. The last step is the quadratic form. Is there any doubts?
No, ma'am.